welcome to the News on Map World Series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be covering topics which are important from General Studies Paper 1, that is Geography Map section. So let's begin, and first of all we will be starting with the previous session question, and that was, which of the following countries are neighbors of Netherlands? So there were three countries given, that was Germany, Belgium and Luxembourg. Which of the above statements is or are correct? 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 3, all of the above. So let us see the neighbors of Netherlands. So if we talk about Netherlands, so Netherlands is a European country, so it lies in the continent Europe. So basically this is the location of Netherlands, and the capital of Netherlands is Amsterdam, and Netherlands shares land border with Germany and then Belgium, and then the western border it shares with the North Sea. So North Sea, Belgium and Germany. It does not share border with Luxembourg. Luxembourg is a landlocked country between France, Belgium and Germany, and in between Netherlands and Luxembourg comes Belgium and Germany. So which of the following countries are neighbors of Netherlands? Germany, yes. Belgium, yes. Luxembourg, no. So the correct answer becomes A, 1 and 2. Which one is 1 and 2? It is option A. So the correct answer is option A, that is 1 and 2. Now moving on to today's session. The first question is, which of the following is the best description of the colossal A23A recently seen in the news? So that is a newly discovered deep sea gulf in the Southern Ocean, a newly formed volcanic island in the Pacific Ocean, an iceberg drifting near South Georgia Island, or a massive ice sheet breaking in the Arctic. So now let us talk about the A23A. Now A23A, it always remains in the news because it is considered to be the largest iceberg present, and the location is, earlier it was in Antarctica, but after it started to move, now the current location is the South Georgia. So if you will look at this map, this is South America, this is Antarctica, and the movement of A23A iceberg has started from Antarctica and has now reached the location of South Georgia. So the correct answer becomes option C, because it is an iceberg drifting near South Georgia Island. So the correct answer becomes option C. Now next question, which of the following is the Wallace line related to recently in the news? Wallace line. It is an imaginary boundary separating the areas with distinct fauna of Asia and Australia. Then it is a longitudinal line dividing the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. It is geopolitical boundary between Europe and Asia, or it is a tectonic fault line in the Indian Ocean. These are the four options. Let us talk about the Wallace line. So when we talk about the Wallace line, so this is Australia, this is Asia, and you can say the country Indonesia. And then if we talk about the Wallace line, then Wallace line is between Asia, that is of the Indonesia side, and the Australia. So this is the Wallace line of the time period of 1859, and it separates the fauna of Asia and Australia. And then this is the Wallace line of 1900, and then the Wallace line has been named after the scientist Alfred Russel Wallace, and it divides between the fauna of the western island and animals largely of Asian origin with that of the Australian. So the correct answer becomes, which one is the correct answer? Tectonic fault line in the Indian Ocean? No. Geopolitical boundary between Europe and Asia? No. Longitudinal line dividing the Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean? No. Imaginary boundary separating the areas with distinct fauna of Asia and Australia? Yes. So the correct answer becomes option A. Now next question. Consider the following statements. There are two statements given. First is Diego Garcia. Diego Garcia is located in the Indian Ocean and is the largest island of the Chagos archipelago. Second, its administration is carried out by India, but it was leased out to the United States in 1966 for military purposes. Which of the above statements is or are correct? Only one, only two, both one and two, neither one nor two. So now let us talk about the Chagos archipelago. So if we'll talk about the Chagos archipelago, so archipelago basically means a group of islands. So a group of islands consists of archipelago, and the Chagos archipelago location is in the Indian Ocean, and earlier it was ruled by British, that is UK, and it was present within the territory of the British Indian Ocean island. But now the Chagos archipelago administration has been with the Mauritius after the 15 years agreement with UK has ended. Now the administration of Chagos archipelago has went to Mauritius. So look at this. So this is the map of the Chagos archipelago, and if we talk about the Diego Garcia Island, then it lies to the southern side of the Chagos archipelago, and it is one of the largest islands of the Chagos archipelago. Now coming back to the question, Diego Garcia is located in the Indian Ocean. Correct. Is the largest island of the Chagos archipelago? Correct. So first it becomes correct. Its administration is carried out by India? No. Earlier it was with UK, now it is with Mauritius. But it was leased out to the United States in 1966 for military purposes. This is correct. So one half of the statement is correct, but one half of the statement is wrong. So the statement becomes wrong. So second statement becomes wrong. Which of the above statements is or are correct? One is correct, second is incorrect. So the correct answer becomes option A, that is only one. Now next, consider the following statements in the context of the Persian Gulf. So there are three statements given. Let us talk about these three statements. First, its boundary, Persian Gulf boundary are adjacent to Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Qatar, UAE, that is United Arab Emirates, and Oman. Second statement, the only, focus on the word only, the only maritime exit of the Persian Gulf to the rest of the world is through the Strait of Hormuz. Third is Qishm. Qishm is the name of an island. Qishm is the largest island of the Persian Gulf related to the UAE, that is United Arab Emirates. Which of the above statements is or are correct? Only 1 and 2, only 2, only 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now let us talk about the Persian Gulf. So if we will talk about the Persian Gulf, then Persian Gulf lies between the Arabian Peninsula and the Middle Eastern countries. So the boundary of the Persian Gulf, which it shares with how many countries? So that is, this is the location of Persian Gulf, this is the Arabian Peninsula, and this is the Middle Eastern countries or the Asian countries. So the boundary is shared with Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, then comes Bahrain, Qatar, UAE, and the topmost point of UAE belongs to Oman. So these are the countries with which Persian Gulf shares its border. Let us see. Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Qatar, UAE and Oman. Yes. So first statement becomes correct. So now the only exit of the Persian Gulf, as it is very easily visible that if this is Persian Gulf, then the northern side of the Persian Gulf, there is no exit. It is covered with countries, that is continent. While the southern side, there is an opening, and this is the only opening of the Persian Gulf, and this is through the Strait of Hormuz. So this is the Strait of Hormuz, and through Strait of Hormuz, it comes to the Indian Ocean. So this is the Strait of Hormuz. So the only maritime exit of the Persian Gulf to the rest of the world is through the Strait of Hormuz. So second is correct. Third, Qishm is the largest island of the Persian Gulf related to the United Arab Emirates. Now if we will talk about the Qishm island, let me rub this for you. I hope things are more clear now. Okay, if we will talk about the Strait of Hormuz, then this is Iran, this is UAE, topmost position of UAE belongs to Oman. So between Oman and the southernmost portion of Iran, see, Between these two, there is an island lies, and the name of the island is Kishm Island, and it is the largest island in the region, and this island belongs to Iran. It does not belong to UAE, it belongs to Iran. It does not belong to UAE, it belongs to Iran. So the third statement becomes wrong. So first is correct, second is correct. Which of the above statements is or are correct? So this becomes 1 and 2. So which option is 1 and 2? 1 and 2 option is option A. So the correct answer for this becomes option A. Next question. Where are Dasht-e-Kavir and Dasht-e-Lut deserts located? So location of both the deserts. So that is Turkmenistan, Morocco, Jordan or Iran. Let us talk about the two deserts. So both the desert lies in the country Iran. Now Iran is an Asian country and always remains in the news recently with regards to the nuclear program with US, and Iran is willing to go on with the nuclear program while the US is not. So this is the physical map of Iran, and if we will go with the map of Iran, this is complete Iran. This is Dasht-e-Kavir desert, and this is Dasht-e-Lut desert. So Dasht-e-Kavir desert, you can say, it lies at the northeastern side. So that is this complete side, and Dasht-e-Lut lies at the eastern side and also at the southeastern side. So basically Dasht-e-Kavir desert. Dasht-e-Kavir means desert of salt, and Dasht-e-Lut is one of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. So you can say that the eastern side of Iran is covered with deserts. So Dasht-e-Kavir and Dasht-e-Lut desert location is option D, that is Iran. Next. Okay, this peninsula is a triangle peninsula, which connects Africa to Asia. So one side is Africa, one side is Asia, separated from the eastern desert of Egypt. Now in between lies Egypt by the Gulf of Suez. Now there is Gulf of Suez also, and the Suez Canal. This peninsula is the northeastern tip of Egypt. So if this is Egypt, northeastern tip of Egypt, and is connected to Israel and Gaza Strip in the east. So there are so many hints given in this statement that I hope you must be able to answer this by themselves. You should not be able to you should not be looking at the options also. The above statement is related to which of the following? That is Sinai Peninsula, Arabian Peninsula, Scandinavian Peninsula or the Iberian Peninsula. So the correct answer for this is the Sinai Peninsula. So the correct answer is Sinai Peninsula, and Sinai Peninsula belongs to the country Egypt. And if we will go map wise, then this is the location of Egypt, and Sinai Peninsula is triangular in shape. Correct, it is triangular in shape. It separates from Egypt through the Gulf of Suez or the Suez Canal. Correct. This is Suez Canal. The northeastern tip, it shares its border with Israel. This is Israel. And the Gaza Strip also. This location is Gaza Strip. What else hint was there? Triangular peninsula. Yes. Connects Africa to Asia. Yes. Separated from the eastern desert of Egypt by the Gulf of Suez and the Suez Canal. Yes, we just saw. Peninsula is the northeastern tip of Egypt. Yes. Connected to the Israel and Gaza Strip in the east. Yes. Again, let us look at the map. This is the Sinai Peninsula. Gulf of Suez or the Suez Canal is this. Egypt and Israel is Asia. So separating point of Asia and Africa, or you can say connecting point of Asia and Africa, not separating. Then shares border with Israel and Gaza Strip. So correct answer becomes Sinai Peninsula. So the correct answer is option A, that is Sinai Peninsula. Next question. Consider the following pairs. On one side, region of conflict is given, while on the other side, location is given. So first is Donbas, Syria, Kachin, Ethiopia, Tigray, Northern Yemen. How many of the above pairs are correctly matched? Only one, only two, all three, none. So let us see. If we talk about the region Donbas, then the region Donbas always remains in news, and this is with regard to the Russia-Ukraine war and the region where the war was actually taking place. So if we will look at the map of Ukraine, then on the eastern side of Ukraine, we will be able to find the region of Donbas. Then if we will talk about the Kachin state, then Kachin state belongs to the country Myanmar and it lies to the northern Myanmar. So Kachin state is Myanmar. Now coming to the region of Tigray. So Tigray region is found in Ethiopia and it lies to the northern Ethiopia. So this is the Tigray region of Ethiopia. Donbas, Syria? No, it is Ukraine. Kachin, Ethiopia? No, Kachin was Myanmar. Then comes Tigray, that is northern Yemen. No, it is Ethiopia. How many of the above pairs are correctly matched? Out of 3, no one is correctly matched. So only one, only two, all three, none. The correct answer becomes option D, that is none. Now next question. And this is the practice question, and like always, you people will give me the answer in the comment section. Question is, this is a narrow channel between Omani Musandam Peninsula and Iran. So between Iran and Omani Musandam Peninsula. It is about 30 miles wide at its narrowest point. It connects the Persian Gulf with the Gulf of Oman. Persian Gulf with the Gulf of Oman. This is a great hint for you. It is the world's most important oil route, forming a choke point between the Arabian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman. Arabian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman. The above statements is related to which of the following? Malacca Strait, Luzon Strait, Strait of Hormuz, or none of these. See, whenever these kind of question comes, that is, you need to find out after reading a statement or a phrase that what is the answer of it. First of all, highlight the points which are the connecting points which will take you to the answer. Like the biggest connecting point here is the Persian Gulf with the Gulf of Oman. If you do not know Gulf of Oman, you must be aware about the Persian Gulf. If not Persian Gulf, Gulf of Oman. Then by these two, you will be able to find out the location of the place. So, like I always say, go and check out the location and then give me the answer in the comment section. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time. Keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.